Hello friend, as you know, in the previous video, I have shown you how to add a user in Linux with custom comment. But if you want to change the information of a Linux user, you can do that using chfn command. How to do that? For example, I am going to show you the information of user Vishnu here. So in my system, you can see there is a Vishnu user and you can see the detail of Vishnu user, Vishnu Sharma from Bilwara. All this is the description about the user Vishnu. Now, if I want to change the information for user Vishnu, I will type here chfn and then chfn and the username Vishnu. Press enter. It's asking name of Vishnu Sharma from Bilwara. You can give it anything here, like suppose Vishnu cyber security student and press enter. Office, suppose Jaipur. Office phone, you can give their phone number here. Then it's asking for a home phone. You can give the home phone address here. Then done. Okay, press enter and done. Now the Vishnu user information has been changed using chfn command. You can see using this command cat etc passwd grep Vishnu. This command is used to verify the Vishnu user information. And you can see the information has been completely changed. Even if you want to check, you can go to this file cat etc passwd. Inside this file also, you will get the Vishnu Sharma information. And here you can see Vishnu information has been updated. So thank you. Thank you for watching.